Hi, welcome back to Adventures of Japan. If you're already in Japan and you want to navigate the expensive life and live a moderate life, then you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you a shop that you could possibly find anything, especially your clothing, at affordable price. Yes, I mean affordable price. And one good thing about this shop is that even if you feel like, oh, I've used these clothes for so long, and we all know throwing away things in Japan is kind of complicated, and you feel like, no, I want to throw these things out, you can bring them to them because they do donations to orphanages. And so you are free to bring your clothing. And so follow me, let's go into the shop so that you see things for yourself. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Yeah, so here we are in the shop. If you are in Japan, you would have realized that these kind of shoes are what the students wear, especially junior high school students. So as you've seen, the names are even written on it. It means a school has just donated them to this store, so they could also sell it at cheaper price. Yeah, as you can see, 100 yen. Wow, wow. 100 yen. Wow. 名前書いたけど使ってない。なんかわからない。Names are written, but they haven't used their shoes, so they are virtually new. But they are selling them for 100 yen. 100 yen. Ah, guys. Wow. Please come here. Come and do shopping here. We have shoes here, we have clothes. So many things. Let's explore. Oh wow. Look at all these shoes. You know, well, if you want to live the expensive life, that's fine. But if you want to manage everything and live just normal, you can get all these things here very cheap. But you know, Japan, they use quality stuff. So these shoes are very, very good quality stuffs. Yeah. And the price is just 800. And the shop is orange Thrifty, you know, Thrifty shops. Yeah. Now let's get inside. Let's go. Yes. And mind you, this is not meant for only foreigners. Okay? Citizens also come here to do their shopping. So we're all in together. Quality bag. Wow. Have a look at it. Yeah. Everything is here. Oh. Some of the items are store rejects. It's not everything here seen as a used good. Some of them are actually store rejects. Ladies corner. Let's check the price of this one. Oh, look at that, 2,000. Wow. How about this one? Okay, 2,000. Wow, quality leather. Really, really quality leather. Wow. Yeah. Yes. Ooh. Wow. For the rain. Yeah. Oh, children's corner. Nice glove. Yeah. This shop has so many things at cheaper prices for everyone. Winter is coming. The jackets. Lipstick. Okay. Oh. Can you see that? How about this? Oh, this is very cheap. Yeah. So everyone is here, not only foreigners. The locals are equally here. What about the King's Cup?
Hyogo, little bit. Hello.
Yeah. I work out here. Koko nani wo shi?
ここはリサイクルショップ、
Recycle shop.
リサイクルショップ and thrift shop.
Okay.
Thrift shop.
Recycle shop and thrift shop. So, みんな来てください。
みんな来てください。ありがとうございます。
So, basically, she's inviting everyone to come and shop here. Hi?
Yeah.
So, みんな来てください。
来てください。
Yeah. Yeah. Let's come and shop here for, yeah, value for money. Value for money. Yeah. So, I really wish I had a way to just have all these shoes sent to my people, because they are so quality. Yes, high quality stuff. Yeah, honestly. Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah, so everyone, what do you think about the shop? It's located in, well, I will drop the address of this shop in the description of this video. So if you're in Japan and you check the address, if it's close to you, you can make your way here and have things for yourself. I know someone who normally come here and buy things and send to Africa. Yeah, so because the things are quality here, man, I won't lie to you. They are high quality stuffs here. And I encourage everyone who wants to live in Japan and navigate the expensive life to consider shopping in a thrift shop. Yeah, it's a recycle shop, like she said. You heard her, and yes, so let's have our things as we maneuver the life of Japan. And this is Adventures of Japan. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and keep watching our videos, because we'll bring you more stuff that you will not regret. Okay, so this video is particularly for people who are already in Japan. And if you're planning of coming to Japan, then you are equally encouraged to watch this video, because you might have heard that things are expensive in Japan, which is true. It's not a lie, it's true. However, there are ways to still live your normal life, and these are some of the ways I'm showing you that you could live your life comfortably in Japan without feeling the expensive nature of Japan. Yes. Oh. これは何？
これスリッパ？
スリッパ。ホテルでうちでもどこでも。Wow, look at this. I think this is made with. How? Can you identify this? Wow. This looks like, in my language, we call it kusi. Kusi. In every language, kusi. Looks like kusi. Wow. これはレダーダイは どうやってつけるの？
これ100円。
どうやってつけますか？
これレザー磨くやつ。
これ？
レザー。
おお。色大丈夫？
色？これはダークブラウンだからこれよりちょっとだけダークな色。
オーケー。これはダメ。多分。
これはダメ。
はい。
はい。
わかりました。ありがとう。
ありがとう。
Guys, my Japanese is not good, you know. I'm just struggling. Yeah, so this is the thrift shop. Wow. I think this looks like a jewelry box, right? Wow. Understand. Oh, okay. I think this one is not for sale. See everyone making their own choices. Nice bags. High quality bags. Guys, if you are interested, just say hi. Okay? If you're in Japan or wherever you are, yeah, let's do business. Okay? Yes. You know, these are some of the bags you see some people using, and you know, this is it. Wow. Okay, I think this one, if you like, if you like showing off as a Christian, then you will need this one. Let's check the price. Oh, you see, Christianity, yeah. There they are making payments. Check this one out. So listen to them or yourself. I am telling you, but please listen to them.
Yay!
Minasan, check the description of this video and you can find the address of this place. Okay? Alright, that's all for this video. I am always Mr. Don't Give Up, and I will see you in the next video.